Good afternoon in TGIF. Glad you can make it back with me today. I have little Raina here. And this is our very first Theme Thursday. And this week's Themes Thursday are things that fly and birds. Okay, so let's get to it. So first of all here, before I show you Raina, I have a rocket here, and we all know that rockets fly. And here I have a picture of a rocket, and it says, "You are my sun, my moon, and all the stars." So that's one little thing here in the nursery that I thought that I could share because it flies. Now here, Raina. Hi, Rain. Let's see. Put your hands down. She loves to cover her face. Raina is wearing this beautiful teal, green, and white outfit with a large pink owl. And he has a gray wing and a little yellow nose there. And it is paired with some heart pants, multicolored hearts. But here's her little owl. And owls fly. And here she is. So cute. And she has these shoes on. They're very big, but it went nice with the outfit. Very nice with the outfit, Raina. Too cute. Now we're going to go on to Tegan here. Got little Tegan. And Tegan is here in the bouncer. And he has on his little outfit. It is cream and brown and full of arrows. Can you see those arrows on his shirt there? My baby just sleeping so good. And he's paired with his little penguin here. And penguins do not fly, but they are birds. So he's in his little bouncer with the animal theme. So I gave him his little penguin and it fit the theme. And last, but of course not least, we have Preemie Kennedy here. She's sleeping too. It's nap time here. So she's sleeping so good, and she has her little bear lovey there. But if I can, without waking her, just turn her over so you can get a look at what she's wearing here. And yes, you guessed it. It's an owl. So she has that cute little pink and white owl here. It has the cutest little bow in her head. She has some pink hearts there on her chest with her eyes closed. Look like they're squinting. She has the same owl on her feet. Yes, these pajama sleepers are footed, and it has a little owl on her foot there. And she's just, I could probably blast the music and she wouldn't wake up. It's my little sleeping angel there. So there are the babies, and this is our first Theme Thursday of things that fly or birds. We hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.